DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. The new one? Yeah. Wow. Apparently it has 4 hours of battery time and it has a built-in pressure gauge, which means that it's auto-recording when you jump underwater.
Have like a safe dynamic range too? I saw like
13.5 stops.
I saw that.
Holy moly. So here we are, guys, we are buying DJI Osmo Action 5. I think that this is amazing deal for this price. Learn more. As you see, camera look exactly the same. We don't have too much of changes. The amazing thing is that we have this new sensor and we have a 47 gigabytes of storage. That's actually a good thing. It's very often I pull out the card, I want to go somewhere, I forgot to take a card, and then I realize I don't have a card and I cannot record, and now of course I'm gonna use card. That's definitely gonna be inside my DJI, but 47 gigabytes is actually a plenty. Okay, we have a new chip, as you see, Wi-Fi 6.0, USB 3.0. Oh, this one is cool, DJI Osmo Audio Connectivity Ecosystem, so you can actually buy the DJI wireless microphones and connect it here. So this is something that is amazing. I saw how this works. But from this generation, I have to tell you that I watched some YouTube's audio quality. It's, I would say, immense for this, like from this little camera. Probably some kind of AI is working in the background, but it's really good. We have a water pressure gauge, 240 minutes of recording, 4 hours extended battery lifetime. 240 minutes, it's crazy. So previously I need to have like 3-4 batteries. Now probably I'm gonna buy this Osmo Action with just 1 battery because it's more than enough for me. True is that all of the batteries from GoPro are either like, you know, I forgot to charge or they were swollen. They just, you know, look very bulky and they just start having issues. So here, and they were losing leg power. So here, 240 minutes on 1 battery for me is more than enough. 13.5 stops of dynamic range. Guys, this is a camera territory. A camera territory. So not only outside, this what is bright and this what is dark is gonna have better balance, but also in post-production you can adjust a lot more, and you can like, sometimes it's just like image was falling apart when you try to pull out the brightness up and, you know, keep the darkness lower. But right now with a 14.5 stop of dynamic range, this is gonna be insane experience. As far as I know, this has like a bigger screen than the GoPro. Rock steady. Here is only one thing, because a lot of people were testing this. It's only one thing where GoPro is still, no, I'm not gonna use the word dominating, but it's like slightly better. Image quality, sound quality, 13.5 stop dynamic range, 4 hours battery, really like a cinematic looking image from this new sensor, like the same like cameras have. It's literally insane. 47 gigs of storage. It's just for $350, guys. You literally have to have it. Purchase it. If you have a GoPro, just rid of this and go with Osmo Action 5 Pro. For this kind of price is insane. We have it. Like and subscribe, links down below, and see you in the next one.